Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat denied. To know how to fix or to solve WeChat denied account, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about the application of WeChat and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Play Store. You will find here WeChat. You can click uninstall your application. You will wait 3 seconds and you can install again your app. If it's not working with you, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.